Meaning of expense account.
Expense account.
Expense account.
Expense account.
Expense account. An expense account is a type of financial account used to track and record expenses incurred by an individual or organization. These expenses may include transportation costs, meals and entertainment expenses, office supplies, and other business-related expenses. By keeping a detailed record of expenses, individuals and businesses can better manage their finances, monitor spending patterns, and plan budgets accordingly. The use of expense accounts can also help organizations to accurately track and report expenses for tax and accounting purposes, and ensure compliance with financial regulations.